Are you still doing stock audits with pen and Excel? A retail chain with multiple warehouses. Every month, stock audits took the whole day. Staff walked through the store and warehouse with paper lists, then someone updated Excel later. The numbers didn't match the system, and they even lost sales because items showed in stock but weren't on the shelf. So they moved their stock auditing to Galla.App. Now the retail store uses our mobile computer to scan items directly inside the store. Galla.App compares physical count with system stock in real time and highlights variances instantly. No more manual tallying or messy Excel sheets. With Galla.App, you get 5 times faster inventory audits, real-time updates, and accurate inventory reports across all your retail stores and warehouses. If you want to improve your stock control and grow your business without painful audits, comment stock or DM us to see Galla.App in action. Thank you.